Okay, we have the Spasm Fingers Zenith Replicant build. Nice. Do our little bit of testing first. So we'll do the, see how the handle swings as everything stops. That's what you're looking for. There we go. Do the old testings. Do some sound. There we go. Has a little ring to it. Very minimal play. And we'll do the pin swing test. Get out of there. I like to do here. So I like to just pin these even. And then shows free swinging. Thing flips really nice. I tell you what, Phil, I was always a hybrid scale guy. I think I'm buying me a set of Spasm finger scales. These things are, the grip is just, I just rolled on them. It's all in the right places. Maybe I can learn how to flip after that, you know? They really feel good. But there you go. And on to the mako. Okay, so we'll start with our secondary swings. Looking good. See, what we're looking for when we drape this open is when everything stops is the outside handle to keep moving. That lets you know that you got even friction on both handles. And I know I say friction, like, oh my god, no friction, but there's always friction, and you guys want to make sure it's even. This thing, we'll do tap test. We'll do the old. Do a little play test. Got a little more play than the rep, but nothing to make it tap. It's perfectly acceptable. Look at them NLTs, they look good in there. Oh yeah, look at, I did a little something to the NLTs on this one for you. You see the difference? Because the Spasm finger scales, they're a little bit, they're thinner up top. So if I kept the slot on them, they would have been sticking out. These are nice and unobtrusive. I also included a bunch of extra set screws. But anyway, get back to this knife. I really like these trainers when they get converted. Well, wow, how sloppy. Anyway, let's get back to the old testings. I really like this knife, man. I like the makos when they're converted. I like them in general. What's a real cool feature about these, in case you didn't know, you know, soft steel, hardened Zen pins. Eventually you're going to wear away your Zen pin nipple to where the gap's going to decrease. But the reason for that and that, they will maintain your gap when this knife gets beaten to death from use. They will at least give you some gap that's maintained by the bite indicator and the dorsal fin. At least that's what Squid says. Let's see if we get a sound check here. There you go. Sorry about the weight on all of it, but I was just at the mercy of China shipping their damn trainer blades. Thank you, Phil.